I'm Andrea Cassoni, Head of Collaborative Robotics in ABB. ABB Robotics and Discrete Automation is a world-leading provider of robotic solution and machine automation. The collaboration brings ABB Collaborative Robotics portfolio and pairs it with Vention's extended competence in applications, engineering, modularization to bring customers complete robotic solutions. Together, Vention and ABB are helping customers addressing their big challenges. This collaboration will drive innovation in the robotics industry. It will drive innovation thanks to the combination of two very strong technologies that will actually accelerate and simplify the adoption of robotics automation. ABB Vision is a world where robots are very familiar in any workplace. I'm absolutely confident that this collaboration between Vention and ABB will go on for many, many years. We're just at the beginning. They are on the cutting edge of technologies. We will continue to bring innovation to the market, allowing customers to automate and robotize more, creating new opportunities for new applications to make the workplace even more productive.